So when you go from here, when you moved off, absolutely fine. Only can you see the front car. So when you go next to the car, you need to move to the right. And why we move to the right?
We need to be, I'm guessing you need to be a door width away, because if someone were coming out of the car, we don't want to hit them.
That's perfect. So you went ahead at the crossroad. You were turning left and you were making one mistake. You are crossing your hands like this.
Yeah.
We don't need to cross. When you steering, pull and push only.
Yeah.
So this is a lock. It's a clock. So our hands should be on 10 and 2 always. 10 and 2, but don't cross them. Don't bring this hand here.
Yeah.
Push and pull, okay?
Yeah.
And when we turning left, we need to our side mirror, the corner of the curb.
Yeah.
We need to align this side mirror. That's our reference to turn left. So we need to align our side mirror with the corner of the curb. Then we turn in new road.
Okay.
So when we're turning in the new road, we check everywhere. If it's safe, then we go ahead. On approach, when we approaching at the crossroad, we approach with MSPSL. These routine we always use for every turn, for left turn, for right turn. When we go on the roundabout, for everything we use MSPSL. MSPSL, we use these routines. So we did this cockpit eye test is done. This is done. Hand control, feet control, use of mirrors. You know about these. MSPSL and then LADA. LADA routine mean when we turning in the road, we use LADA. When we turning left, so we look, then we assess. Assess for everybody if people are there on the left, on the right, or there's a cyclist, there's a motorbike, there's anyone there. So we just look at the lady. How is she looking for turning left? She's looking everywhere. And when we assess if safe from all directions, then we decide and then we turn. So how we turn left now, you need to remember this. This is a skill for life. This.
So check my mirrors.
Then
signal if it's safe.
Then
and then begin to maneuver. So begin to move your
car to the left slowly.
Left. And then
reduce our speed for our turn.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then you look again to make sure, assess to ensure that it's safe.
Yes.
Make a decision based on that, and then act on it.
Then act on it. If it's safe and no one's there, because if no one crossing, everything nice and safe, then we decide and then we turn. So we use this for life. Now this is life skill. MSPSL and then assess, decide and act. This is for left turn, right turn, roundabouts, for wherever you go, you use these, okay?
Yeah.
So this time when we go ahead, when I tell you to turn left, which mirror you gonna check?
When I turn left,
yes,
I'm gonna check my center mirror.
And then
if it's safe, signal.
When you check your center mirror, after center mirror, which mirror you checking?
The left one.
Okay, and why we checking these mirrors?
The left. I'm just imagining it now.
When you're turning left in New Road, why are we checking the left mirror?
The left mirror is for the curb.
For the curb and for the people, if it's safe, if no one's there, for safety, okay?
Yeah.
And what about center mirror?
Center mirror.
Why are we checking center mirror?
I don't actually know.
So we check traffic behind. Because sometimes these are training area, not so busy.
Yeah.
So when we go out in major road, there's so much traffic.
Yeah.
So whenever we turning left, we check for safety. So first center mirror, then left. Always.
Yeah.
You're gonna do this for life now to keep yourself safe in car.
Yeah.
Okay, so get ready, and we're gonna move off when you are ready.
I keep wanting to
Mhm.
move with my. Oh, sorry. Crossing.
You're not crossing, okay? Not crossing. Only push and pull, push and pull. We use this technique for our steering, okay? Push and pull.
Yeah.
Remember your distance. So we go in middle here and slow down so we can see properly. Keep going. At the crossroad, turn left, please. Push and pull, remember? We're going to track the double yellow line and reference. We align this with the corner and then slow down and do it with the slow speed, okay? So you can see in the road. Because there's a hazard on the right,
Yeah.
so when you're turning here, you need to slow down next time, okay? So what you gonna do next time?
Slow down.
And why? Why are you slowing down?
One, to make sure that I don't hit the curb and I don't swerve into the right lane that has a hazard.
Yes. Well done. Keep going. And we're gonna track the double yellow line end of this road. So here we reduce our speed so we can do it slowly with the slow speed. Good. This speed is nice. With the practice you will get better, okay? And from here, when we enter on new road, we can see the hazards on the left. So we reduce our speed early and come to the right early. This way we're gonna feel safe. More to this side and keep going. Good. Well done. Keep going. Now more to this side, because road is going like this, so we just follow the road layout. Here we keep on the left, but we go slowly because it's a bend, and if we see hazard, then we make plan. So what's the plan here?
I'm gonna go on my right, but also make sure there's no oncoming traffic that I need to give way to.
Yes. If the oncoming traffic is coming, they will stop for you, okay? Because there's not much space, they know that.
Okay.
So if anyone coming from here, they will stop here, wait for you, and then when you come here, they'll go. Okay? So everyone think for their safety. Everyone. They don't want to hit their car. So we go nice and slow. And then we're going to track the double yellow line on the left. So I'll teach you few loops, and then if you're good, then you can do them independently, okay?
Yes.
Remember your distance. That's good. This is fine now, a door width away from these parked cars. They are on every road. When you're entering in every road, they are parked on the left or right. So you need to think for these hazards, okay?
Should I park here?
We're gonna park here on the left. Which mirror are we checking? We
The
slow down and come to the left.
how do I like?
Move forward, and then straighten your car, slow down so we can stop in proper place. We stop here, we leave the space open so cars can go
Yeah.
in and out. We don't want to block their way, okay?
How do I check that like I'm close enough to the
In-
curb?
In your left mirror, can you see? Can you just bring it down where? We'll bring it down so you can see.
Is it this one? How do I?
Here, look. Can you see in small mirror you are next to the curb? This small mirror.
Okay.
That's your reference. And big mirror you can see as well.
I'm just gonna set.
Yes, set it
adjust
up,
my-
set it up.
Mm.
But now set it on normal place when you're driving, okay?
I should have actually.
Now press L down now. Set your mirror. Yeah. That's it. So when you're driving, we just keep it up, okay? Because you need to see in the road, in the left mirror. Can you see properly?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I should have set my mirrors earlier.
Yeah. In
Yeah,
beginning, I was
adjust,
telling you, and you
yeah.
said everything is set. Okay. So next time when you come in, just bring a cushion with you.
Yeah.
So we'll put it on the seat so you can go up and see the floor marking, okay?
Yeah.
So okay, people use this. So many students, okay? That's fine. So we get ready and then we're gonna move off again when you're ready. When you're ready, tell me that I'm ready.
Okay. Okay. I'm ready.
Okay? Move off then. But when you're moving off, check again.
Yeah.
Because situation change in 1 second on the road, okay? So we keep checking for safety. And we're not crossing the
No, it's bad habits, isn't
yeah,
it?
yeah. Pull and push technique. Keep going.